fuel, medicine, clean water, batteries. The modern world runs on chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is the science of transformation, turning raw molecules into the products that millions of people depend on every single day. Chemical engineers design, build, and run the processes that make it all happen safely, efficiently, and at enormous scale. They are defining skill, taking a reaction that works in a test tube and making it work in the real world by the ton. So how is it different from chemistry? A chemist asks what reaction happens and why it happens at the molecular level. A chemical engineer asks how to run it at industrial scale. How fast, how cheap, how safe, how clean. Chemistry discovers the transformation. Chemical engineering scales it into the real world. That skill set opens doors everywhere. In energy and petrochemicals, chemical engineers keep the world's fuels and materials flowing. In pharmaceuticals and biotech, they scale life-saving medicines from a laboratory discovery to a global supply. In clean energy, they are building the batteries of tomorrow. From food to semiconductors to water treatment, working as process engineers, plant managers, researchers, and sustainability leaders. And the research frontier is moving fast. Green hydrogen and carbon capture are redefining how we fight climate change. Artificial intelligence and digital twins now simulate an entire plant before a single valve is ever built. Advanced materials, next-generation batteries, and biomanufacturing are opening industries that didn't exist a decade ago. Chemical engineering, turning molecules into progress.